the road, yeah. Nice.
Oh.
Ah, you can feel it, huh?
Oh, that's the
Dynamic.
What? Whoa! Whoa! Oh my goodness! I'm gonna put my seatbelt on.
Yeah, man.
Holy! Whoa! Alright then. Okay. I'm sold. Yeah. Now I see what they talk about the power in this car. My goodness. Al, don't go back to work saying you had Angela screaming in the back of this car
Well,
now.
you gotta kind of test it, make sure everything's cool.
Yeah. Whoa.
And you screaming. That's normal.
Holy smacks. Wow. That was like a roller coaster ride. Wow, so we didn't even put it in race mode.
No.
No, don't do it, don't do it. Oh gosh. That turns off
That's
all
race
the
mode,
electronics.
Yeah, turn a different color, yeah.
Oh shit. I'm too used to driving around those little Fiats. I'm too used.
Isn't that beautiful?
I got used to the little Fiats.
Wow, what a smooth
Yeah,
machine.
it's like a smooth acceleration.
See that plate flying in my face?
Yeah.
Ain't that something?
Wow.
That's G-force.
Yeah, right?
Nice. Oh, let's see who's the lucky guy gonna own this thing. The lucky gal.
Right.
I didn't go manual shift, you know, kind of supposed to go manual shift.
Oh, I don't. Oh my gosh, listen to that.
Yeah, it cuts down the muffler. The valves close up.
Wow. Woo. Oh, nice brakes.
Brakes are good.
Yeah. Wow.
Yes.
You know, no matter how much you read or how many reviews you look at and stuff, and you say, wow, it sounds great, it sounds great. If you don't experience it
You have to
yourself,
experience it, yeah.
yeah. I feel like my heart is beating
Look,
beating fast in my
when I heard Ferrari people design this thing,
Yeah, Ferrari people.
it's like driving one.
Yeah, they had engineers from Ferrari.
You hear the way that thing shit? Bang, bang, bang.
Oh my god.
That's what I call Rocket Giulia. Beautiful. Yeah, whoop, whoop.
Yeah.
Not for us.
How's that movie goes? Catch Me If You Can?
Yeah.
Yeah, catch me if you can. Not
We'll
in this.
take a gas.
They're not catching us in this. We got a full tank, right?
This is nothing what this car could do.
Yeah.
Yeah.